What if I told you your real age isn't the year you were born? Inside every cell in your body, your DNA is wrapped into structures called chromosomes. Now imagine these chromosomes as shoelaces. The plastic tips at the end, those are your telomeres. Their job is simple: protect your DNA from unraveling. But every time your cells divide, to heal, grow, or stay alive, these tips get a little shorter. And when they become too short, the cell stops working, becomes damaged, or dies. This is aging from the inside out. In 2009, Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn won the Nobel Prize for discovering the enzyme that can actually rebuild those telomeres. An enzyme called telomerase. Most of us barely produce it. But the shocking part, we can activate it naturally through our lifestyle. Short telomeres are linked to faster aging, weak immunity, low energy, heart disease, depression, and chronic inflammation. People with unhealthy habits can be biologically 10 years older than their actual age. But people who protect their telomeres, they age more slowly, feel younger, and live longer. The 5 protocols that protect telomeres. Protocol 1, manage stress, your number one enemy. Chronic faster than anything else. But meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness increase telomerase. Your repair enzyme, just 10 minutes a day, can literally slow aging. Protocol 2, intermittent fasting. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's cleaning system. It removes damaged cells and reduces oxidative stress. Studies show fasting preserves telomere length and boosts metabolic resilience. Protocol 3, smart, consistent movement. You don't need the gym, you just need consistency. People who walk, jog, or swim regularly have longer telomeres than people who sit all day. Movement shocks longer life. Protocol 4, anti-inflammatory nutrition. Inflammation is acid to your telomeres, so switch to foods that protect them. Omega-3s, berries, leafy greens, green tea, olive oil. These foods slow cellular aging. Protocol 5, deep sleep. Most telomere repair happens during deep sleep. If your sleep is bad, your cells age faster. If your sleep is strong, your body rebuilds from the inside. The final message: longevity isn't luck, it's biology. And when you understand the code inside your body, you can master it. This is Human Code. Decode your body, master your code. If you want more science-backed ways to extend your health span, comment longevity below. And subscribe. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching.